Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to create a subscribe link for your YouTube channel. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing to and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube, and so you're looking to make a subscription link. We'll guide you through this step by step, as it's really convenient to have because you can then go and add this link to other social media platforms, your website, or wherever you want to. People can go and click on it, and they're going to get taken straight to your channel. And as well as that, they then go and get a pop-up, and will get prompted to go and subscribe to your channel. So then they can go and subscribe and go and keep following your videos, amongst other things you may do. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure to read this full guide and skip anything that we're covering that's important throughout. So to get started, you want to go to the YouTube site. Now head to the top right, and you can go and press under profile icon. Now you go and get a list of options here. Make sure you go and see your channel at the top. What you can always do is press the switch account and switch if needed, but I can see it here. Then, what you can do is go and press view your channel like so. You then get brought to your channel. And now what we need to do is you want to go, and you'll go and see your channel name and your channel description. Press more to the right, and this will go and pop up, and you can see some info. What we want to do is go and grab your YouTube link here. So you want to go and right-click on it, and you can go and press copy link address. Now, what you can do is you can open up a word editor like Word or Google Docs. But I just go and open up a new tab and come to the address bar. You can then right-click and press paste. That is the link to your channel. But now what we need to do is go and add something in to go and make the subscription link. So what you type in is !sub score confirmation. So we'll type that in like so. Make sure it's all spelled correctly. Then press =1. That's it. That is the link there. So what you can then do is click, hold, and drag to go and highlight it. Right-click it and press copy. We can now go and test whether this is going to work. So what I'm going to do is just go and switch channels because, of course, we can't go and subscribe to our own channel. I've now changed my YouTube channel and account, and I'll go and press enter. And as you can see, we're then brought to the channel with this pop-up of confirming the channel subscription. We can press subscribe if we want to. And there we go. That's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more useful guides like this, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you.